Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are well. Friend, today morning I got this product from AliExpress. This product is video rolling slider. So in this video I am going to unboxing this product. Then I will discuss about the product quality and also show you how this video rolling slider work. If you want to know more details about this product, then you will find both AliExpress and Amazon link in this video description. Also you can purchase this product from that link. So let's start the unboxing after a small intro. So now I'm going to open the product. So here you can see the product. There is nothing with this product. The finishing quality of this product is really so nice. The body of this roller made with metal and it's little bit heavy. The wheel of this roller made with plastic and it's smooth. Using this key you can tie up your camera or camera clamp. You can also rotate this roller in this way. So here you can see it's really easy to rotate left or right. Here you can see some angle mentioned so that you can rotate this roller at this angle which you want. And in this way you can slide this roller for recording smooth video. The finishing quality of this roller is really good. Now I'm going to using my Canon digital camera for testing this roller. You can join this roller with any digital camera in this way. Just place this and tie up this key. Here you can see it's ready for rolling video. Now I am going to recording a video of this headphone. It's really smooth. Now I'm going to add this camera holder with this roller. I'm going to attach my phone with this camera holder. So now it's ready for rolling. In this way you can slide. This roller have no motor, that's why you need to move this roller with your hand. So friend, it's really great and helpful product for recording smooth sliding video. I'm really happy with this product. I hope you also like this product. The product link are available in this video description. So that's all for today. I hope you like this video. If so, please click the like button. If you have any question, then comment below this video. If you want to get more upcoming video of this channel, then click the subscribe button and also click the bell icon for getting a quick notification. So thank you for watching. Please stay safe and be happy. See you in the next video.